All right, so this is May-June exam 2022. We're looking at question number 4. A says the functions f and g are defined as follows. F of x is equal to 5x plus 7 and g of x is equal to 3x minus 1. For the function given above, determine I g of 1/3. Now, if you have g of x and you want to find g of 1/3, you're going to simply replace x in g of x with 1/3. So g of 1/3 would be equal to 3 times 1/3 minus 1. So 3 times 1/3 is 1 minus 1. G of 1/3 is 0. Now, I'm asked to find f inverse of minus 3. Now, if I'm asked to find f inverse of minus 3, I'm going to solve the equation f of x is equal to minus 3. So the solution of the equation f of x is equal to minus 3 has the same value as f of minus 3. Now, f of x is 5x plus 7. So 5x plus 7 is equal to minus 3. 5x would be equal to minus 3 minus 7. 5x would be equal to minus 10. Divide both sides by 5. And we get that x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, f inverse of minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Turning the page. B says the line L is shown on the grid below. So we have the line L. It cuts the y-axis at 1. Write the equation of the line L in the form mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Well, what I need is I need to know what is m, and m is the gradient, and what is c. C I already know. C is, this is c, it's the y-intercept, and c is 1. What I need is the gradient. To determine the gradient, I need the coordinates of 2 points on the line. This is the point 3, 2. And here's another point on the line. This is the point 6, 3. So my gradient m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is equal to 3 minus 2 over 6 minus 3. It appears that the gradient is 1/3. The gradient is 1/3. So the equation y is equal to mx plus c is y is equal to m, which is 1/3 x, plus c, which is 1. Going down. We're told that the equation of a different line Q is y is equal to minus 2x plus 8. We're asked to write down the coordinates of the point Q, the point where Q crosses the x-axis. Now the x-axis is the line y is equal to 0. So therefore, I already know the y coordinate of the point where Q crosses the x-axis. So the point where a line crosses the x-axis is the x-intercept. And the y coordinate of the x-intercept is always 0. So I'm going to say when y is equal to 0, I'm going to have 0 is equal to minus 2x plus 8. And so I'm going to have 2x is equal to 8, divide both sides by 2. I'm going to get that x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 is the x coordinate, and y is equal to 0. This is the x-intercept. And that is where Q crosses the x-axis. We're to write down the coordinates of the point where Q crosses the y-axis. All right, where Q crosses the y-axis is called the y-intercept. And the equation of Q is y is equal to minus 2x plus 8. 8 here is the y-intercept. Now, the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. The y-axis is the vertical line x is equal to 0. So the x-coordinate of all y-intercepts is 0. So 0, 0, 8 is the y-intercept. C says on the grid on page 14, we're to draw the graph of the line Q. All right, so we're going to draw the graph of a straight line. Now, only 2 points are needed to draw the graph of a straight line. Y is equal to what? Minus 2x plus 8. I already know 1 point. I know that the y-intercept is 0, 8. So I need 1 more point. I'm going to simply choose a value of x. I might say something like when x is, let us say, equal to 4. Y would be equal to minus 2 times 4 plus 8. So this is minus 8 plus 8, which is 0. So x is what? 4. Y is 0, is another point on the line. 4, 0 is actually the 4, 0 is actually the x-intercept. So I have my 2 intercepts, 0, 8 and 4, 0. Going back to the page before, my line crosses 0, 8, which is all the way up here, and 4, 0, which is here. All right. Then I draw a straight line through those 2 points. All right, let's just tweak it a little. All right. And so this is the line Q, or the line Q, yeah, line Q. All right, which is the line y is equal to minus 2x, y is equal to minus 2x plus 8. The 2 lines intersect at the point 3, 2. So next we're asked now, according to the graph, the solution of the system of equations consisting of L and Q is, well, the solution of the system of equations is another way of saying solving the 2 equations simultaneously. And if you're using graph to solve simultaneous equation, the solution would be the value of x and y where the 2 graphs meet. So the 2 graphs meet at the point 3, 2. So my solution, or the solutions of the systems of equation consisting of L and Q, the solutions are x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. The solutions are the values of x and y where the two graphs meet.